guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're not going to be doing a makeup tutorial. We're going to be doing actually a product review, and this is something I've been wanting to do for a while, which is microdermabrasion. So I don't know if you guys have heard of it before. For those of you who don't know what microdermabrasion is, it is literally this, like, you use a diamond tip. So hang on, let me grab the device to show you. It's got a little diamond tip on there, and it uses suction. So it uses vacuum suction, which essentially is like a deep exfoliation of the skin. So it's kind of like an exfoliating device, and it like removes those dead skin cells, which is awesome. I don't actually even want to know how many dead skin cells I would have on my face, but I can tell you now it's a lot. So basically what it does is it does that, and then it stimulates the growth of the new skin layer. It's like the new you, the new improved, better you that was always there, but it was covered up by really gross dead skin cells. So I've been doing a little bit of reading as well, and let me show you what it can do, because I can't memorize it, so I'm just gonna read it because I'm a cheater. It can brighten your complexion, it can smooth and rejuvenate skin, stimulate collagen production, reduce breakouts by unclogging pores, so that one's really exciting. And the most exciting to me personally, that is with regular treatments, it may improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And I'm like, hell yeah, don't want no wrinkles. So that is like tick, tick, tick. Can also with regular treatments reduce or improve sun damaged skin, acne scars, and dull and uneven skin tones. So for the review, I'm going to be using my lovely kit here from Dermaglow. So this is a collaboration with Dermaglow. I haven't been paid to do this video, so I'm not being paid for my opinion. It will be my opinion and my thoughts when using this product, but they did send me this package free of charge. So I just wanted you guys to be aware of that. You will be getting my opinion. These are my thoughts, 100% my thoughts. I just want you to know that. First as well, just to let you guys know that I will link the Dermaglow website and their Instagram in the description box below, so you can go check it out. So basically this is what the product looks like. It's really like the little rose gold. Okay, it's like the visuals doesn't really matter like in terms of performance, but you know, it's always nice when it's really cute sitting there. It's got the little diamond tip on. I do have, as you can see from the back, the sensitive tip on. So there's a couple of different tips. Actually, I'll grab them out and I'll show you. Basically, you've got the sensitive tip, which you can see here what it's like. You've then also got one that's like exactly the same. It's the same size, which is just the non-sensitive version of it. You've got a small one for small pores, so if you really need to get some super suction in there, this guy's going to help you. And the body tip as well, which is like way bigger. So they're the 4 tips, but I thought let's start with sensitive. Just because it's the first time I'm using this product, let's not go 0 to 100, let's take it in steps. There's just a couple of things I wanted to read out to you guys before we start as well. So microdermabrasion, I'm going to make sure I read this so I don't get it wrong. So microdermabrasion is not recommended if you have any of the following conditions: lesions, warts, or recent herpes outbreak, sunburn or sun sores, active rosacea, autoimmune disorders, skin cancer, vascular lesions, any open wounds, sores or cuts, or if you're taking oral blood thinners. So just make sure before you do anything that obviously you check the warnings and make sure it's all good for you to use. You wouldn't want to do anything that obviously damages your skin. There's also one other point that I saw in here that I wanted to make sure I read out to you guys. I didn't think of it until I read it, so that's why I want to share it. You can use anti-aging creams and serums with the product. It's not an issue as such, but if your anti-aging cream or serum contains AHA or acid, then it should not be used on the same day as the microdermabrasion treatment, but can be used on non-treatment days. Non-AHA acid-free anti-aging products can be used at any time. So I read that straight out of the little manual, but just really important to note, because again, you don't want to do damage to your skin. The whole point of this is that we spend 5 minutes and the skin's going to be glowing and it's going to be amazing. So luckily none of this applies to me, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go wash my face because I got makeup on, and I'm going to come back looking all natural and beautiful, au naturel, and then we're gonna try out this product and see what it's like. Okay, so don't freak out, my skin color changed because my foundation's not the same color. And anyone who's been to my channel before and watched one of my makeup videos will know that this is a fact. But yeah, I have to say I'm pretty lucky. I have pretty good skin, so I can feel though going over it, there is a little bit of, you can almost feel like a little bit of meh on it. So this is gonna be awesome. So let's turn it on There we go. So we've got four different settings. Can you see on here the light settings? One. Ooh. Oh gosh. Ooh. It's quite strong. Okay. So I'm going to start in the lower setting on sensitive because I don't want to like freak myself out. So it's got the little suction happening. Now, we just got to make sure as well, it says here, let's turn this off whilst I'm talking. Do not keep the device stationary on the skin as this may cause redness, moving continuous smooth motions across the skin. So let's start with cheeks. Okay. Oh, do you know what's really cool? In this little booklet they give you as well, it says as well the area and then the maximum level you can go to. So for example, for cheeks, we can go to level 3. Whereas around the eyes, you would only go to level 1. Forehead, go for your life, up to level 4. So that's good to know. So let's start with cheeks, and it shows you where to go as well. I'm going to move the diamond tip a short distance outward. So I'm going to go from the nose to the side of my cheek, like this. Ooh. Okay, hang on. I'm trying to move it, not keep stationary. Oh my god. I'm glad I went level 1. It's definitely, it doesn't hurt. It's just something I'm not used to. This little suction thing. Oh my god, this is so funny. I feel like it's quite a strong suction, to be honest. Oh my gosh. It just feels funny. It's something I'm not used to. Let's do the other side. And if you, like, because you're not used to it, like, your natural thing is like you just hold it there. Just pull it off. It's not hard to pull it off. Pull it off. Like, that's what I just did on that first one. I just pulled it off because I don't want to leave it in the one spot and then that's not good. It does say as well, if it hurts, don't do it. You know, if there's pain. It's not like painful at all to me. Like, I can feel it on there. I can feel there's something a little bit rough going on my skin, but I certainly wouldn't be to the level where I say, oh my god, that hurts. I'm just looking in the mirror. I wouldn't say mark where I've been, but it's where like the makeup hasn't come off as much. Like, it's not, please don't think it's like a scratch on my skin or anything. It's clearly not, but I think it's just a little bit where the makeup hasn't come off as much. So you can see that it's doing something, right? Because otherwise there's always, like, whenever I do my makeup, I leave little traces of makeup on there. Actually, this is nice. So just kind of pulling your skin back a bit. This doesn't hurt at all. And I'm on level 2 on my cheeks now. So let's do, we're still on level 2, so that's okay to do the upper lip. So we've got to go down. If I run my finger here and then run my finger, yeah, I can feel a difference. Here's smoother. But just in case I'm smoking something, let's do the forehead. Let's do the rub test. No, this is silkier. It's a little bit rough. Let's see, forehead, level, let's just level 4 that, man. Level 4. I'm low-key scared, but anyway. Move the center of the forehead. Okay, so forehead we can go up, and then we're gonna go out as well. So let's go up and out. In fact, let's only do this side and then we'll test. Let's feel there. Yeah, it's a lot smoother. It's hard to say. It's like, if you know, you get those like little nail buffer things and you can rub them on your nail, it makes it like quite smooth. It's almost like that kind of thing, if that makes any sense at all. And it's just smoother. Come closer, you can see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, you can definitely see there's that I did not. There we go. I used my makeup remover and you can see on here, can you? Maybe you can. There's a little bit of makeup and stuff on there. So it's definitely getting stuff out. Let's do the nose as well. We can do maximum level 4. We're gonna go down here and then down here as well. So maybe I'll zoom you in for this one. How do I get suction on the top of my nose? Okay, for my nose, the top doesn't get suction because it's not wide enough. So what we'll do is we will use the small tip that it's come with. Definitely after like the first one, like a couple of minutes, I was just like, oh, I don't really know how to use it. Now it's just a lot easier to make it glide and everything. Like, it was just really hard at the beginning because you're like, ah, it's stuck to my face. So I would very highly recommend, do not go straight to section 4, do not go to section 2. Use section 1 to begin with, because you're going to get quite a shock when it goes on and just be like, oh, that's quite sectiony, it's hard to move. So I would highly recommend you do that. And then like in the same session, you can go to 4. I've just done it and it's completely fine. But do what is comfortable to you. Make sure that it feels right for you, because that is the most important thing. So let's try a different head. So I'm going to move to this one, which is the small one. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I don't think you guys want to see it, but I'm going to show you guys anyway, because I'm all about sharing with you guys. Can you see in there the filter? It's so gross. I saw it before and now it's full of stuff, which is disgusting. But also good, because it means it's done something. Oh my god, my feet just went to sleep. Been sitting on them for too long. Okay. New head is going on. It's literally just you unscrew and rescrew. It's really easy to use, which is good. I'm going to do level 3, I feel. This is quite concentrated. Go in here as well. I feel like this is where the money is, like right here, because that's I know where I get like everything is just there. It's gross. Everything feels so smooth. It's like literally someone's come with a buffer and kind of just like buffed my face. You can just do this all in 5 minutes. Yeah, I've really gone to town on my chin, so now it's a little bit red, but that's okay. It did not hurt at all. What does hurt? My pimple. I need it to go. It's like under the skin. Ugh. Let's give the non-sensitive tip a well as well. It's the same size as the sensitive one I was using before, but I'm gonna assume rougher. It feels a little rougher. So let's do level 3. Whoa. I need to. Whoa. Oops, I accidentally left it a little bit long there. So if you do leave it too long, my understanding is it can look a little bit like a hickey, which is probably not what you want in your life. Okay, so I checked the ingredients of my serum and my, what else did I put on, toner, and didn't have any AHA or acid in it, so that's why it's on my face, because don't forget you don't want to put that on if they don't contain that. So I did double check before putting them on my face. But my final thoughts on this are, honestly, my skin feels incredibly smooth, which is an instant effect of the product, which is really awesome, because my expectation was that it should make your skin smoother instantly, because it is kind of suctioning all those dead skin cells out right away. So it has done that. In terms of wrinkles and stuff, well, nothing's going to change your wrinkles after one use, to be fair, so everything is the same. But I am keen to see with prolonged use what it does, if it does reduce the appearance of some fine lines. Quite possibly. I have hopes that it does, but you know, on one use it's not going to do that. But yeah, I think my skin's looking, once the lovely redness settles down, quite nice. And keep touching my face as well, so that's a good sign. So show you again, it was this here that I used. We didn't use the body tip, but we did use and trial out the sensitive tip, the regular tip, and the precision tip, which is that one there if you've forgotten. So if you are interested in getting a kit like this, like I said, I'm going to link the website below. I'll show you what's in the kit as well, so you can see. It's really nicely packaged actually. So you just pull the little sleeve off, and then you've got the little box. These all come wrapped. I unwrapped them. So they were additional filters that just fell out, so after every use there's a filter in here. You will need to exchange that out. It comes with your charger, your four different tips, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 on there, and obviously a device. So if you do get it, let me know for sure. I hope you enjoyed as much as I have. I'm very much looking to my wrinkles. Oh, that is what I am fixated on, but this smoothness is necessary in my life. And thank you guys so much for watching. Every time you do, I really appreciate it. Have a great day, night, or whatever it may be, and until next time, bye.